Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile on your Fire tablet. First, navigate to your tablet settings, then Security and Privacy, and toggle on the option to install apps from unknown sources. This crucial step allows your device to accept applications not directly from the Amazon App Store. Make sure you understand the implications before proceeding. This sets the foundation for installing Google services. Now, let's get those Google services installed. Begin by installing the Google Account Manager APK, followed by the Google Services Framework. After those are successfully installed, proceed with the Google Play Services APK and then the Google Play Store itself. Remember to install them in this precise sequence to avoid any compatibility issues. A quick restart after installation can also help. With the Google Play Store now operational, open it up and sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, use the search bar to find Call of Duty Mobile. You'll see the official game listing. Simply tap to download and install it onto your Fire tablet. The download size is typically around 2.5 gigabytes, so ensure you have sufficient storage and a stable internet connection for a smooth process. Once Call of Duty Mobile is installed, launch the game and adjust the graphics settings within the game menu. Lowering these can significantly improve performance on your Fire tablet, ensuring smoother gameplay. For a more precise experience, consider pairing a Bluetooth controller. It offers better control than touchscreens for competitive play. Also, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your space tidy while you game. Enjoy your mobile gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.